Okay, FM 101.7.
King Ali Audu, chairman, Emma Coalition of Concerned Teachers. King Ali, memoache.
Yeah.
Nabokode.
Nyanko pandemino mo paibo.
King Ali, COVID-19 aba. The new normal no aba wiase nyina no lockdown no kwa wamu bie school bie ni ade enti yehye mo frɛ yi a wo mo kɔtro waye kini BEC na esi etimi ye hyehyɛ ma wo mo timi kro wo mo kro ye no so no de asie ni nyina ade wanim nimsem bi mo contracted this coronavirus or COVID-19 bi ene the ACC wadawruma as chairman of Coalition of Concerned Teachers mo je ne say
Me that's baby. My main for Konya we na me chia with tifo nyina nkankan achechefo any special Coalition of Concerned Teachers Ghana members are wotio. Na Kinali Audu president for Coalition of Concerned Teachers Ghana.
Okay.
Edi kan no my main fan to say school kwalani contract anasa umunya COVID-19 no Nioma Bruni Potokasi Rebecca said it was inevitable. So far as it says, Yariano Ewoho, young two na say crack free Yasia Fanena. Ye be schools in India. Na ye expect to say, Nyama be in Ketenketi BCC. Either say, will be the Nyebi, either some kind of free fear banokrano, will be the free fear and Abba. Will be so a while. Obe school wa and wabenya edif na damp bi ho and there was also the possibility say teacher ni bi wo ho a odi frifie and ebeba and as obe school wa and obenya all these ones were probabilities that expected to happen. That's notwithstanding unions any stakeholders nyina ehia including the presidency my can say yemfa nioma ABC enguna kwen sani ebe ya obi enye bi anampu so obi ekonye bi a kwan we na yede no ebe fa so nti ya no tem bia no nioma na ye nyina ye gitu mu se ye nguna kwen no eye no na mprepi no eye ye pese ye hwe se no kra the Ghana Education Service no edis anioma no egu na kwen mu. Not some parts of schools, but in all schools across the length and breadth of Ghana. And nobody said your money to go na kwenumwa ye be schools so no be no. A dear ben any see. They are taking the argument right from there.
Na mama radio. So far minim se bra munye wan kasa ne a wotie bi fi awofo any various stakeholders. Condition I bedroom the best. And now say there's room for improvement.
Oh, there's room for improvement. Brofuna na wakano. More room for improvement. I teach for your brofu. More room for improvement. If you say even countries are omo say omo developed world no krano. So now omo so omo ko omwe. Adie say nyina no omo hu ni say adie we ye ni say ananka ye. No man says so margin, no man yen no kwan for so. Even World Health Organization, we are seeing now Apple Mudin Ashan and Sakrano. Yen say COVID-19 by ye in Saint Pia or Mudi kan ye in there or my baby cancer and sister. They may be a Wednesday can in there or my baby cancer and sister. In the idea saying no, Nimidia for floor air back. Nenipa agene fachira san ewo nioma ahodo bebre ho nanso no say zero into Ghana dia higher kakra ni say as of last week Thursday no ye unions me yabo apra kaba me yabo apro no ye hulu say the basic schools especially no secondary schools no money so much problem about the basic PPEs the nose mask Veronica bucket soaps and what have you. Now, so a lot of your basic schools know why no mun say nyanka sanyo maniomano. In fact, some of the island communities in Ghana ha there were some villages that were in the middle of the Volta Lake. Now PPEs, enrich some of these schools in our island communities. In my last week Thursday, the write-up about Bontain said GS in Chef Nenuminiano, the PPEs, enrich all the schools. PPEs, betting all the schools. President Ankasa say classroom piano 25 students and not pupils. Now so the PPEs now say in the school setting Ankasa no yen to me and the protocols no swa denya yare no back konye bia ebe sign nipa bebre. Yen nyina ye ni tia yakoso KNUST. In there coronavirus abentino se wunue bi te won chen na se ohwente kra obeka cha ni say good luck no usi coronavirus na udi meka na nso na bi atwam na ko bi hwinti a yesi utiri nkwa ena obi hwinti a na ye twale no obi bo wa na ye twale no na nso eti ewi ase na ye boye wadada eti ewi ase na ye yemi ye dada eti ewi ase na ye num ato ye dada na nso coronavirus edi ehu aba masani oma we nyina na ewo ho dada as a who go through Kwana and Prepi and Chakraposa Wayare no, a nest secata choke. Not so minimum so Krana, or Bian Peso Bay Day or the Bell. Now, quite bad so any bit to me afa my school settings, no. Aye, let me come into what has happened at KNUST. KNUST school Cassia, a walk massive grocery fee precope. Said the say, it's me, what KNUST. Ma kwala yare ma yentumi ama health professionals ama amehwa kwala no amfa kwala na anko hospital anko sane yare ana anko tritino ma obi adwane no ma onu ankasa ne nyonkofo ne kurakura ne mudi a in the same school a ewo ekurasi da bidie nyankopon kura ne nim bibesi se bibi sei ekokosi wo ho entino no kura we have more room for improvement. Here say the Ghana Education Service or did the management of the various schools Ebekasa ye. Ghana Education Service they can the directives that say, for example, secondary school biano, omuni classroom back when found to an unfanya isolation center. Nayan fine part in Sisim. In some suspect say Akwalebi show symptoms be a magene mo say a coronavirus. Mufa sa Akwalano and to Sardini. No more the health facility now, the school is attached. Because President Mayeti has said it was one of our requests. President Suji Tumu Mayeti has said every single school, you have map to a nearby health facility. And so from no more back, no more no more ambulance and no more car at the first sign Pacrono at the Aqua treating. We should see what KUST now. And your manu is. And Amaya Shre Aqualano. Ya be free. Ya. Asamono Aquayakana. Sawo can I was all to Boise. Now one can be Uncle Bray, Awufonu Crew. And to year as unions, this is not even the time. You ever call out to say a quack would defend you. I say, your member, teacher Nino, and answer Debbie. This is the time I ever the first why you ever solve the problem. If you say, I shouldn't pankwa. Na nipa no nyewu via you got to be careful anything that you say na anko bre awofo no kru ana omo ma hwere omo de hie no wahu intino I was say Ghana Education Service any the management of the various schools no etna CGA ni ache ne we bigi look who for KUST assembly NC our tech campus ankasa assembly see wo new site now there be a new site no one. They are in the middle of two major hospitals. KUST Hospital, Ankasa, and Ejisu Hospital. Now, between KUST Hospital to KUST SHS, any from Ejisu Hospital to KUST SHS, it will not take an ambulance more than 30 minutes to get to the school compound. In Tiabani saying, any a fra kolana wufo now wufo no. Ebio we will take about 2-3 hours and son will be through school move. No, I can solve the fun about all you could do. I Fabiano, now, no. Yoma Bebre just did not go on well. and it is so pathetic and it is so bad. But I know when you know air personal say GES ahobwa at the management level no NC say yahobwa our management level no about COVID-19 any point ever so ever handle no who suspected cases and KCP esitadia and kasadi we and kasedi sedi anka and kusi wow in Quebec GES say monitor events ni very ye na unions here say of course we say dear we will not hesitate to call our members out of school because in kwalani enkwa ehia na church for no so enkwa ehia. And for that matter, say because we say yeah, dear, look at the rampage. Akulani wuye no shadi ankula school for the year, and nobody can blame them. It's very painful. Inti omuya he kachu, and they are two baby so, and they are couple the pafu bi so, and on also share no kwa. Na akwaya two blues. Wow. It is because we say yeah, na say to be manage the situations in the school. Say no. There are two major cases, KUSD, SHS, and then Accra Girls, SHS. The Bebo Monday Abon Paya say, Yenshe na Yankote more serious cases. Send you a banya chair for Nubenya Kumato Yim. Nan Kolano so Enya Suchi, Atanafe, not a chair for Acho Madi, no Muswesia, Akotro, or Muasi, and you.
Okay.
If you are some back one, make say. What's any BGC? It will be there forever. Nippon Quandie, it is not there forever. Inti, say Nippon never share no Quandie. And can who bring your crap or say the bonnet Quano buying? Na HHH crano, Wapako BGC, Ghana ha.
Eddie, King, Kanaka who's Senka, Quebec, this year because of COVID-19 Yankro.
Things have happened before. The Nipani also uncle transfer. You bet me about no one by no. Also uncle transfer no go and I be wow. But you Bruce Alabuno, a cases been in some isolated areas. And the two serious ones are who so far no Accra Girls and KNUS. I was there. Yeah, as unions, we are always there. GES is always there. I was saying in our years to my one, we need making sure say it will not repeat itself. And yes, sir, then we have to close down the schools. Now, some waiting for that is what France did. France did schools within 2 weeks' time. I will fund it to school some the state was forced to close down the school, go re-strategize, and then reopen. Wow, and then indeed we will have no option than to close down the school, re-strategize, and then come back later and then write our BEC and what BEC you crap with any problem. If you say Ghana and Kwan BEC, no any other West African country does BEC, so we can do it at any time. And West Africa Senior School Certificate Examination, and there are some 5 West African countries, and I can't move. Nigeria focus on Montreal. Yes, on Montreal, Mudika. Until 2006, yeah, 2000, just about 14 years ago, until 2006, not every member of WAEC, no one can exam, SSE. Senior Secondary School Certificate Examination. No, be any day. Nigeria for SSE question for your Modianko, Ghana, any Dianko, Liberia, any Dianko, Gambia, any Dianko, Sierra Leone, any Dianko. No, be any Dianko. It was from 2006. And now I hear and say, see, I one body there in the young Cambo near one exam. Send a certificate to be and then you need 2 million a year. But in some way in 2013 and 2014, Ebola Bayeno. Oh, say Ebola Bayeno. Sierra Leone, they were hard hit with Ebola. That particular year, Sierra Leone, the remaining 4 countries now, they were not suffering from Ebola, Ebola head, Etro, Omuwasi. Now, Ebola call for And our egg, a coyer, phone, dear Edema. So it is doable. So even if we decide to say we will not join the rest of the countries to do it, so yes, so we are internal problems here. We should be able to convince WAEC, no organizing what just for us. Because questions in India are the same standard questions, and WAEC always have questions available.
Okay,
well, all these ones are things that we can put on the table. But the main can say, as management, now you're making sure, say, even if we suspect somebody to be having COVID-19 symptoms, it doesn't mean, say, you're neglecting the panel to his face. None panel entering just like that. Okay. Because after all, when you COVID-19 be or recover no, or more doors to chair or more when you do move. If the mere fact say when you COVID-19 no, and just all the or more when you do more no, far as normal those that got it and died. So why are we making the thing to appear as if to say if you are infected with COVID-19, it means you have been taken to firing squad? Okay. We shouldn't do that to ourselves.
Okay. Medas and Opekin.
Yes, me that's a Kwame Kumane Kwankesi Odamami.
Mes me that's a pa Kinali Audu chairman Coalition of Concerned Teachers na yene atwen komombe.
Okay FM 101.7